Hey guys, today we're going to talk about Landcadia Holdings Inc., which trades on the NASDAQ under the symbol LCA. So I'm just going to take you through a brief high-level analysis of the company and some recent news. So about the company. So Landcadia Holdings Inc. is a company formed for the purpose of effecting a merger, capital stock exchange, asset acquisition, stock purchase, reorganization, or similar business combination with one or more businesses that is co-sponsored by Fertitta Entertainment and Jefferies Financial Group Inc. So basically, they're a special purpose acquisition company. The company's CEO and co-chairman is Tilman Fertitta. Now, if that name rings a bell, it's because he is the owner of the Houston Rockets of the NBA, and he also is a president and CEO of Landry's Inc., which is an American-owned multi-branding dining, hospitality, entertainment, and gaming corporation operating over 600 restaurants, hotels, and casinos. Wow, that's a lot. Okay. And makes sense because he does have a net worth of approximately 4 to 6 billion US dollars. This guy knows how to make money. Okay, so some current news. So it was just announced on November 25th that regulatory approval has been obtained from the New Jersey Casino Control Commission to acquire Golden Nugget Online Gaming Inc., which is its symbol is GNOG, not currently public. So they're currently waiting on the SEC to approve the definitive proxy statement for shareholders. So once the SEC comes out with something definitive, I think this will make a huge difference as well. Right now, it's kind of in the early stages. When the merger is completed, it will be traded under symbol GNOG instead of the LCA symbol. So let's look at Golden Nugget Online Gaming Inc. So they are a leading online gaming company which is owned by a company that is wholly owned by Tilman J. Fertitta. They're considered a market leader by its peers and was first to bring live dealer and live casino floor to the United States online gaming market. They were the recipient of 15 eGaming Review North American awards, including the coveted Operator of the Year award in 17, 18, 19, and 20. Something I thought was pretty important here is 2020 Q3 results include a 93% increase in gross gaming revenues, all the way up to 28.9 million, and a 92% increase in operating income, all the way up to from about 4 million to 8.2 million now. So the merged entity would have a value of about 745 million, or about 6.1 times its estimated 2021 revenues. Now, for perspective, DraftKings, which is currently trading around $50 US, trades at 40 times sales. So that's something to think about. And also, Golden Nugget has been profitable since 2016. I'm not sure if DraftKings is even profitable to date. And the firm will become only the second purely publicly traded online casino company in the US, other than DraftKings. And again, for perspective, DraftKings stock doubled from the time when its merger with an SPAC was announced until it closed, and GNOG has been much more profitable than DraftKings. So there we go. So now we're at the bad. So usually when there is good news and good things happening, there are some things to look at on the bad side or potential negatives that could be happening behind the scenes. And it's good to definitely weigh both of these. So the first one, Fertitta's financial well-being has been in question ever since he leveraged big time when he acquired the Houston Rockets in 2017. This was public information that he did need to leverage big time. In addition to COVID. So COVID has affected many people's finances, and who knows how that has affected Fertitta. Could this be a move that he needs to make in order to help out his finances? We don't know. Fertitta will be chairman and CEO of Golden Nugget Online Gaming. This would put Fertitta Entertainment and the man himself owning 52% of the entire company. Fertitta gets out of some debt that he owes his creditors through doing this while retaining control of his profitable business. So although this may be perfectly legal, something smells here. Okay, I just want to look at the chart really briefly. Let's look at 3-month chart. So as you can see, the stock did peak in mid-September. Let's see the last 5 days. So the last 5 days, we have seen a gradual increase in stock price. this little dip here, I know this was pretty scary for some investors. I actually took a position in this company before this dip, so that was a bit worrisome. But it's funny, it was just a 20-minute dip in the recess period before uh, they were granted the approval. So I guess some people freaked out, maybe triggered some stop losses there. However, it was nice to see it bounce back, and I think it closed at about $19 after hours on Wednesday. So we definitely could see the stock rise pretty quickly in the coming days and weeks as people recognize the potential. Honestly, I'm very bullish when it comes to anything online gaming, sports betting. It's just crazy to think that not it's not legal everywhere in the U.S. to even gamble. Imagine if it was. Gambling is something that's so prevalent to many people worldwide that I think the market is just untapped to date. Okay, guys, just to wrap up, I do think this stock is one that does have a lot of potential. Now, whether that's long-term potential or short-term potential is still unseen. I like some of the points we read indicating that they are a company that's profitable. They're only trading at 6 times their sales, whereas DraftKings trading at 40 times, I believe. I definitely do think this is one you guys should take a look at. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own due diligence. But please let me know in the comments what you've learned from this company if you've done your own research. Am I missing any blatant red flags? Is there anything I'm missing that could indicate something very good for the company? What do you think on the merger? Please let me know your guys' thoughts. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe. I plan on putting out a video weekly, so you don't want to miss it. Thanks.